Hey guys, we're live at 10:24. I got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second. When we're battling for Jason's Rebel Commander, I'm sorry, I have 11 spots here. Then I'm going to paste in here. We got 11 right there, which is neat. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least 5 for some action. We got an 8, so we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Nice looking figure. Don takes round 1. Eric 2 and 3. Don takes 4 and 5 and 6. He's rolling. Don in 7, and our winner is Don Barber in at number 10. Congratulations, Don. WCRPTX is our official verification code. Don Barber in at number 10 is our champ. I'm done at 10:25. As seen there. And there. One last time, there it is. Don in at number 10. Congratulations, sir. See you next time, guys. Thanks.